One of the biggest complaints I hear about Las Vegas is that it's not walkable. Well, today I'm here to prove that theory wrong. I'm here in one of Las Vegas's most walkable communities in historic 89108, the McNeil neighborhood, which is just minutes away from the Strip. It's got large lots, mature trees, and a real community feel. Come check out this beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2,800 square foot home with me today. It's been completely remodeled and it just hit the market. Hey guys, I'm Alyssa Deggan, your local Las Vegas real estate guide. If you're new here, we talk about all things real estate and lifestyle in the Las Vegas Valley. And if you're returning, welcome back. Please be sure to hit like and subscribe so you can see more home tours like this one. And if you're interested in buying or selling in the Las Vegas Valley, feel free to reach out. My information's in the description below. Are you ready to check out the inside of this gorgeous retro modern luxury home? Let's have a look. So this has been completely remodeled, but let's have a look in here in the den. This wood paneling on the wall is original. It was important for the owners to keep one aspect of the original home, being that it's in a historical community. But the rest of the home has been completely redone. This flooring is quite beautiful. It's a wide tile wood finish plank. Now off to the 2 bedrooms in the west side of the home. Carpet is brand new. This room actually has 2 closets, one walk-in and one standard closet. Now this wall paneling is Paragon's signature look. That's the company that remodeled this home. And let's check out the bathroom. Look at that beautiful pop of color. It really works here. And that tile in the shower fits perfectly. What do you guys think of that color? Yay or nay? Beautiful hardware on those sinks. Beautiful backsplash. And the other bedroom on the west side. This one has that same wall paneling, a window on the south, and a standard closet. Now, I can't wait to show you the primary bedroom, especially the shower. Little sneak peek of the pool out there. And here's the primary. Carpet in here as well. It's all been replaced. Take a peek at the wall paneling on the ceiling. It's very unique. Of course, we have a big walk-in closet in this bedroom. And now for my favorite part. Look at this gorgeous bathroom. Dual sinks, beautiful backsplash. big soaker tub separated from this spacious shower. Got a beautiful tile on the floor here and a rain shower head. Separate toilet. What do you think? Here we have a little sitting area. You can enjoy your coffee, look out at the pool. All of these tiles are brand new, and this pool has been redone. It's a deep pool at the west end over there, which you're not allowed to do anymore. So that's a pretty exciting feature for a lot of people. Custom pergola gives you just enough shade that you can hang out there without getting scorched in the summer. What do you guys think so far? Oh, and I can't forget to mention that these windows to my left and these ones in front of me all open up, so you can slide those open and have easier access to the pool. Here's a little dining area, open concept kitchen, a candle for ambiance for today's open house, stainless steel appliances, cute little garden window, nice deep sink, and off towards the Butlers Pantry / coffee bar / wine bar. And behind me here is the laundry room, and there's actually a half bath to the right as well. This would be a good one to use if you're hanging out at the pool. You can come in through the side door there, out trailing water through the house. There are those sliding doors I mentioned. Okay guys, that concludes our tour for today. Please be sure to leave your comments below about what you loved about this home, and if there's anything that you'd change, I'd love to hear that as well. If you have any questions about this home or would like a private tour, reach out. My information's in the description below. And if you need help with your real estate needs, give me a call.